Morning guys, I'm here at Toyota Rent a Car. I just got here to get a car. Spirit Airline wasn't that bad. It was just not, there wasn't no room, but it wasn't that bad overall. I could land it at 5 and I took a nap because they didn't open until 8. So I took a nap at the airport and I'm so sore, I'm tired. So after I get the car, I'm gonna go shopping, buy things that I need. And this is where I rent, Toyota Rent a Car. And I just found out that in Fort Lauderdale, it's $10 cheaper than Hollywood. This is Hollywood. And Florida, oh my gosh, it's not that cold, it's not that hot, it's just okay. I was expecting like 86 to 90 degrees, but I think it's around 60 or 70. So I'm gonna head inside, and after that I'm gonna go shopping and go find breakfast. This is what I'm getting. Take a look. I don't know if you guys see. There you go, Walmart, buying snacks and food to munch on. I don't want to go out and eat every day, every night. I'm gonna spend too much money doing that. So here's what I got so far. You know, the usual me. People are looking at me. I'm weird, huh? Just vlogging. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree to go buy hair stuff like shampoo or stuff that I need. And I'm probably gonna stop by Subway because I'm really hungry. And then I'll go check in. And we'll see what the day brings. For some waffles. I love waffles. You can't forget about that. So let's see. Right here, found it. Woohoo. There it goes. In here. That's set. And yeah, now I'm looking for shoes. And I didn't see any flats or sandals or whatever you call it that I want or I like. So I'm just gonna go with this. Something simple. And I need water shoe, but they don't have any good water shoe. So I'm done shopping. Here's what I got. And I'm ready to go. So I forgot makeup remover. So I'm back in Walmart looking for a makeup remover. I need it. Let's see. Oh, here it goes. Got it. I really need this, and I think I should grab a foundation because I didn't have a foundation. So I'm in my car eating my sandwich, and this is actually a Yari. It's not a Prius. My mistake. The weather has gotten really hot now, and I'm like sweating in this jacket. So thank God I did not wear my big white puffy jacket. Otherwise, I'm gonna look so out of place. And my hair is a little bit messy. I haven't got a chance to, you know, check in yet. So kinda. Okay, guys. So I just checked in at the hotel that I'll be staying, and right over there, do you guys see that? That over there is the ocean. I'm so excited. And this is behind me is a pool. This is how it looks like. But I'm really excited for the ocean. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna probably go relax and take a nap, and then I'll wake up to go to the ocean. It's exciting. I'm really excited about it. Once again, it looks like this. So I'm gonna go inside to go to my room and relax because it's been a whole long day. So, alright guys, so forget about relaxing. Forget about napping. I'm here at the Atlantic Ocean. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? But I'm in boots and pants. It's okay. I'm trying to get away from the waves because I don't want my boots to get wet. in the ocean, I can taste the salt on my lips. Yeah, it's really windy, so I'm a little bit worried about my eyelashes. But yeah, I'm done seeing the ocean and I want to go back. But I'm so I'm afraid to go. So I'm a little afraid to go back. So I'm just gonna hang around here for a little bit and I'll go back when the dog's gone. That's back at the hotel, and look, on the table you see a crab. I don't know if it's dead or not, but there's a crab right there. Oh my god, I thought it was real. I've been looking out for those lizards that Piñata was talking about, but I haven't seen any so far.